here, this side grabs it, and this side lets it go. What do you want to be, a garbo when you're older?
Yeah, I'm still thinking about it.
It's alright money. Good money on overtime.
Yeah.
Just me today.
Yeah. Are you working next Saturday?
No, I'm away.
Oh, so this will probably be your last time here?
Yeah, well I said last week was going to be my last one, didn't I, to you?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm actually going away to Apollo Bay.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
Just going to get out and move that one.
Alright.
You don't have to get out. 11-year-old? He's nearly 12.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Bloody terrible weather.
Yeah.
And then there's like the lights are there for the and this is like the load. It's called load, unload. I've got unloading today. I'm just filling it up. Do you get your mum to follow you? It's not normally.
Oh yeah, just today.
Are you nuts? Yeah, so I've got a Max, he's 12 and a Chase.
Oh yeah.
Is it more exciting outside the truck than inside?
Pardon?
Like when you throw a bin in? I didn't do that, alright? You didn't see it. So what's going to happen is they're going to ring the cancel and they'll have to get another one. I've eaten 2 today.
Is it because the grabs are slippery?
If you don't grab the bin right,
You'll fall in.
yeah, that's my fault. But you've got arms like this,
Yeah.
and then some bins are like this. And the big bins are just fits around.
Yeah.
What do you do with all of it? Because you video a lot of this.
Yeah, I'll upload them on YouTube.
You're going to put me on YouTube, my voice. You got to leave it when the bin ate the.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's going down. Make it messier. Do you live on this street?
Oh no, I live in the Tuesday zone.
The what?
Tuesday area.
Okay. It's a bloody Tuesday area.
Oh, like Canterbury, Camberwell.
How far away is that your mum drives to here?
It's probably like a 5-minute drive, 10
Oh, is
minutes. Yeah.
I'm not from this area, so I have no idea. I'm going to just, hopefully your mum doesn't follow me up here. I'll just go back down the street.
Yeah, right.
She'll think I'm kidnapping you. I don't want you. I've got 2 boys, I don't want another one. piss heads around. I mean, there's some like a lot of
Alcohol,
around.
yeah.
You knew what I meant, didn't you?
Yep.
Yeah. But you know what? I wasn't even meant to do this street.
Who was meant to do it? The other guy?
It's a bit of these are the easy streets. So when someone's finished their run, you know that dark man, JB?
Yeah.
He'd probably come and do this.
Where's he now?
He's doing another section.
Oh yeah. Is all the areas missed?
Huh?
Is all the areas missed?
I don't know what I normally do Casey, Berwick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I don't normally do this area. I've got a Volvo. Mine's clean, really nice. But I do, like I said, I do Cranbourne, Berwick.
Do you collect garbage?
Yes, I collect garbage. This is all recycle. I collect garbage. Finger. Go down, you buggers.
Are the Volvos smoother than these ones?
Hell yeah. Like real nice. And you sit up higher and what is it they're going down?
Are you on your first load?
Huh?
Are you on your first load still?
Yeah, we don't recycle. It's
Yeah.
it's garbage. You can only, they say, get 800 bins on, and then go to the tip.
So you do like 2 loads a day?
Yeah, I do. I mix it good with the men. I don't like these. These are a Dennis. I don't like them.
Yeah.
I like a bag. I mean,
These ones are rattly because they're like old as.
they're like the old rattlers, like. Yeah, so I'm going to put my day with my boys.
Oh yeah.
My sister, and her kids, and hopefully it's nice and weather. All over. All over. So yeah, you'll have to meet the new Garbos.
Yeah. I think there's only one staying.
Oh, you already know.
Yeah, when you were stopped last week, the other guy told me.
Yeah, there's a few staying, I think, from swallowed too many things. I can't go to the tip today because it's not open.
Oh.
Why do people do that? Because I'm a dad. Don't tell everybody about that.
I'm especially happy because it's one of the trucks that I actually like.
This?
Yeah,
Why?
because it's older and like.
Oh, well then you can like the Volvos, they're new.
Yeah, they go alright though.
Yes. Sometimes if the rubbish falls out, then I can catch it in the bin again. Sometimes they fall over and I can pick them up too without getting out of the truck.
Yeah.
Garbage is better because it's heavier,
Yeah.
so I don't knock the bins over so much. Something must be stuck on my
another break at like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock as well?
Yeah, if you work up to 3, if you start at 5, you've got to have one at 10, 10:30, and then one at, you've got to have one before 4 o'clock. So you've got to have it before 4. So I have it 3:30.
Alright, thank you.